Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-43 sheet metal license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-43 contractor license? Well, a C-43 license is issued to a contractor who selects, cuts, shapes, fabricates, and installs sheet metal, such as cornices, flashings, gutters, leaders, pans, kitchen equipment, and ductwork. Now, there are some basic requirements to being a sheet metal contractor. You have to be at least 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license, a social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as other licensed contractor, an employer, or supervisor. Now, let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. It is closed book, so no reference materials can actually be brought into the testing facility. No notes, no books, nothing. The questions are set up as multiple choice, so they're set up in an A, B, C, D format. There are going to be some mathematical computations, and a calculator is provided to you. The testing's done on site, and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 4 major sections, with planning and estimating about 27% of the questions, preparation, fabrication, and storage 15%, installation 28%, and safety comes in at 30% of the exam questions. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the sheet metal exam. Number 1, how many 4-foot by 10-foot sheets of metal are needed to fabricate 300 feet of gutter with a stretch out of 13 inches? If you picked B, 10, that's correct. Number 2, which tool is used to attach an end cap on a 5-inch OG rain gutter? C, snap lock punch. And number 3, when fabricating a downspout with a cornice break, what type of seam should be used? D, lock. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them, so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.